Nothing is gearing up to shake up the mid-range smartphone market once again, this time with the much-rumored Nothing Phone 3 Lite, a more affordable sibling of the phone 3A expected to arrive before the end of 2025. According to expert pick, this new variant will bridge the gap between the standard Phone 3A and the CMF Phone 2 Pro. The 3A Lite is expected to retain Nothing's recognizable aesthetic, a transparent back, clean lines, and the signature black and white color options. While it might skip some of the premium touches of the Phone 3A, the company reportedly aims to deliver a product that still feels distinctly Nothing. The design language, consistent with its predecessors, will likely continue emphasizing usability and visual simplicity. Adding fuel to the fore, reliable tipster Sudhanshu Ambore shared that an upcoming Nothing phone has recently cleared BIS certification, which strongly hints at being the Nothing Phone 3A Lite. According to Ambore, the model number A001T closely resembles that of the CMF Phone 2 Pro A001, suggesting that the 3A Lite could be built upon the CMF 2 Pro's hardware platform with only minor adjustments. His report also aligns with an earlier TÜV certification, which confirmed 33-watt fast-charging support for the same model, a detail that strengthens the link between these devices and provides a clearer picture of Nothing's strategy for this release. Under the hood, leaks suggest a single configuration of 8GB RAM paired with 128GB of internal storage. While modest, this combination should comfortably handle everyday multitasking, streaming, and casual gaming. Enough to serve users who value smooth performance without the premium price tag. There's also speculation that regional variations could introduce more color or storage options depending on demand. What makes the 3A Lite particularly interesting is its rumored price positioning. By placing it below the standard 3A yet above the CMF 2 Pro, Nothing appears to be building a layered pricing ecosystem, offering a clear step-up path for consumers within its product family. The 3A Lite is reportedly set for a global rollout across all major Nothing markets simultaneously, marking one of the company's most accessible launches yet. Pricing leaks suggest a tag of around 20,000 rupees in India and approximately $250 internationally. A considerable drop from the Phone 3A's $379 launch price. If accurate, this would make the 3A Lite one of the most appealing budget-friendly devices in the market, offering Nothing's distinct identity and ecosystem at a fraction of the cost. Official confirmation remains pending, and Nothing has not yet disclosed a specific launch date. Speculation around the 3A Lite has been circulating since July 2025. If the rumors hold true, this smartphone could debut before the year's end, though some analysts suggest the company might delay and transition directly into its next lineup, the Nothing Phone 4A series, anticipated in early 2026.